Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I've had this piece of wood for quite a while from Walmart. It's just a whitewash pallet plank and I didn't pay very much for it. I don't even know how much, and I want to do another laundry sign for my laundry room. So let me go ahead and now if you don't have a Cricut, you can still do this. I'm going to include in the description box below the free printable to get this, and you could just print it out on a piece of cardstock and put it in a frame. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'm going to go to the circle with the plus for a new project. And I'm going over here to Images on the left hand side. I'm going to click on that, and in green right here, Browse All Images. Okay, and we're going to go right here at Ownership, click on that, and we're going to do Uploaded. And this is the sign. I think it's really cute, so I'm going to click on it and it'll put this green box around it. Then we're going to go Insert Images, right bottom corner, and it's going to put this on here. Let me increase it in size so maybe you can see it a little better. Now let me see what size I need all of mine to be. Okay, I think I want it to be 11.5 wide by almost 5.5 tall. So let's see how this is going to look. So if you go up here out from size, there's a little lock. I'm going to unlock it. Okay, let's go up here and see what we want to do. I want to make it wide about 11.5 wide, if this looks good. And then I want to make it about almost 5.5, so I'm going to put 5.46, and let's lock this back and see what this looks like. I think that's going to look really good. Now if you'll see, this is all separate cuts and everything, and I want it to come out pretty much all one piece. So what I'm going to do is go down here and weld this. And now it will all cut out like that. So we're going to go right top corner, make it. And now you'll see it's all here on my mat. I'll try to increase it so you can see it, all right? I hope this is going to fit. So we're going to go to continue, right bottom corner. My Cricut is set to custom, and I have the premium vinyl, okay? So let me just see if I've already made it. And right here it is, the premium vinyl. I think I'll go ahead and add more pressure because my blade's a little dull. So the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this really cute sign for my laundry. Okay, here's that wood palette that I've had for quite a while from Walmart. And I'm just going to take this off of it, and it just looks very distressed, and I like this little rope. I don't know where my mind is, that you can hang. I don't know that I'm going to hang it though. So I have the premium vinyl in just this really pretty chocolate brown, because that's kind of what my laundry room theme is creams and browns. Okay, and I'm going to put this on my mat. Then we'll just put this right in here. Hit the blinking arrow to load it, and the blinking C to cut. And you don't want to mirror this image because we're going to be using transfer tape to lift this up. So just as soon as this finishes cutting out, then I'll be right. Okay, I'm going to eject it with the blinking arrow, and I'm just going to look at my picture. Okay, and then we're going to weed it, but first I'm going to cut some of my vinyl off because I don't want to waste it. Okay, now what we're going to do is start weeding away everything that we don't want very gently. I think this is going to be really cute. Okay, now we're going to go to the inside. Start gently weeding this. And then we'll just clean up the rest of this. Okay, and that's what we have. I think that's adorable. Okay, so then we're just going to get our board and our transfer tape. Like I've said in the past, you can reuse your transfer tape. It's not a problem. And you can use the clear shelf paper from the Dollar Tree. I bought some of that, but I was having trouble finding it. So before I found it, I have this Cricut. So I'm just going to be using it. Okay, so I'm just going to take this off of this now. And that is just so big it's hard to control it. And I'm going to put this right on here. And just rub it on here. And then just start lifting this up at a diagonal. Okay, and then we're just going to put this right on here where we want it. I think this is going to be so cute. Now, try to get it in the center. Okay, I think that's good. Then we're just going to put it right on here. Well, here it is. I love how it turned out. It just looks very weathered and old. Now, I did get my dimensions wrong. I could have made this a lot longer, wider. So if you do this, you'll have to just adjust yours. I made mine 11.5 wide, unless sometimes it slips out, but I think it still looks really cute. But I will tell you, if you're going to put vinyl on a surface like this, somehow clean that surface, because it was a pain getting this put on there. I will tell you that, because some of my little places didn't want to stick, and I had to do just practically every letter as I peeled it back, and I lost some things, but I still think it looks very farmhouse and very cute for where I'm going to put it in my laundry room. So I'll see you tomorrow for another Dollar Tree DIY. I'm so excited. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, bye guys.